Hey y'all, this is Ed Baldwin from Profile Gorilla, your MySafe Florida home support partner, and we're talking about opening protection. And this is really upgrading your windows and your doors to be wind resistant in a hurricane or wind event. But the most important thing to take away is making sure that you work with your agent and your insurance company to look at the premium discounts and the value tied to the expense of replacing these windows before you decide to go with that option.